Welcome to Catholic Evangelism, the prayer of Jesus, the unity prayer. My adorable Jesus, may our feet journey together. May our hands gather in unity. May our hearts beat in unison. May our souls be in harmony. May our thoughts be as one. May our ears listen to the silence together. May our glances profoundly penetrate each other. May our lips pray together to gain mercy from the eternal Father. Amen. Jesus, this prayer is an instrument in your hands. By collaborating with me, Satan will be blinded by it, and because of his blindness, souls will not be led into sin. A deep longing for unity and connection with Jesus. It presents a powerful image of individuals coming together as they embark on a journey of faith, their hands reaching out to one another in solidarity. The prayer acknowledges the importance of unity not only on a physical level, but also on a spiritual and emotional level. It seeks a oneness of hearts, souls, and thoughts, highlighting the desire for complete alignment and harmony. The imagery of listening to silence together suggests a shared desire for stillness and contemplation, a willingness to be present with one another in a profound and intimate way. The prayer also acknowledges the power of prayer and its ability to bring individuals closer to the divine. It emphasizes the importance of praying together, recognizing that through this collective act, they can receive mercy and grace from the Eternal Father. Overall, this prayer serves as a reminder of the importance of unity in our relationships with Jesus and with one another. It invites us to seek deeper connections, to be attentive and fully present, and to find strength in our shared faith and devotion. May God's peace be with you always.